to sing a song for you. Do you still remember? Okay. Good morning, student. How are you?
I'm fine.
Good morning, teacher. How are you?
I'm great.
Good morning, student. Good morning, teacher. Good morning, student. How are you?
I'm fine. I'm
Great and ready. Okay, give applause to everybody. Yeah. Okay, so now before we begin our lesson, better we start with pray, right? Okay, want to lead our pray?
Everyone, let's pray before we start our lesson.
Okay, thank you. Yeah. Okay, now I'm going to check attendance. If I call your name, please say present. Yeah. Amy.
Present.
Alexander. Chloe. Daniela. Christian. Ethan. Frisco. Howie. Ian. Not come ya. Okay, Karen, Rebecca, Ricardo, Ryujun, Sabila, Sophie, Talisha, Valerie. Yeah, okay. So one student's not come yet. Yeah. Okay. So now as usual, I will ask you about the previous lesson. Okay. What we have learned in the last meeting, you still remember? Okay, Amy. Water pollution. Okay, who else? What is food chain? Yeah.
When other animals eat producer and other animal eat the consumer.
Okay, other animal eat producer, other animal eat consumers. Okay, what is producer? Yeah.
It's the start of a food chain and it's usually a plant.
Yeah, okay, the start of the food chains. Okay, usually plants. Who can mention example of producer? Yeah. A grass. Seaweed. Leaves, plants. Only that? Who can say example of consumer? Mouse. Bird. Frog. Yeah, okay, what do they eat? Yeah. Okay, leaves, yeah. Okay, do you still remember about ecosystem? So it's about living things and non-living things. Do living things and non-living things has a relationship? Yeah. What is the relationship? Can we live without non-living things? No. Can we live without other living things? Okay, so we are connected each other, yeah. Okay, now let's think about it. So what we are going to learn today is about pollutions, yeah. What is pollution? Any of you has known about pollution before? Anything? What do you think? Okay.
Pollution is like something bad goes to some environment.
Okay, something bad go to the environment. What else? Yeah.
Like, for example, like you're throwing trash into the sea that's like clean.
Yeah, okay. Okay, can you name of type of pollutions? Yeah. Water pollution.
Food pollution.
Food pollution. Okay, it's okay. Gas pollution. Air pollution. Only that? Okay. Next, have you ever found out what causes water pollution? Trash. Chemicals. Vehicles. Only that?
Living things.
Yeah, okay, living things. Next, what are the consequences of water pollutions? If water polluted,
Dirty water.
become water dirty.
A disease spread to other people.
Okay, this is spread to other people.
You cannot use the water.
Okay, you cannot use the water.
You cannot drink the water.
Okay, you cannot drink the water. What are the consequences if the water is contaminated? What happened to the living things in the water?
Diarrhea.
Huh? Diarrhea? It's die. Okay, only that?
They'll get sick.
Okay, they get sick. Okay. Yeah, inside the water. Okay, so what you should learn today, as usual, right? When we learn, at least we have a meaningful lesson. Yeah. So after this lesson, I hope you guys to be more care about the environment. So you know the cause of water pollution, and then you know the impact of water pollution to living creation or creatures. Yeah. Okay. Let's continue. Okay. Now there are 6 learning objectives you will learn today. The first, you can identify the cause of water by seeing the pictures and then also from the articles, yeah. And the second, you can analyze the factor that cause water pollution appropriately through the video. And the third, you can analyze the impact of water pollution, yeah, using video observations correctly. And then also you can find ways to overcome water pollution correctly, because you will do experiment later, yeah. And then you can present the ideas or information that you got from the experiment, become an infographic, and then you will present it to our class, right? And the last, you can prove. So you can prove ways to overcome water pollution. Okay, do you have any questions for this? No. No? Okay. Now, okay, so there will be pre-test, yeah. This is about what we are going to learn later. Now I'm going to know your knowledge before we start the lesson, yeah. So I will give you the pre-test first. You can do it in 2 minutes, yeah. After 2 minutes, I will ask you to collect. Okay, Amy group, Talisha group. Do it individually. Reason group. Reason because reason before. Okay, Andrea group. Yeah. Okay. In 2 minutes, you have to collect it. Yeah. Okay. No discussions. Only individual. Yeah. Yeah, it's okay. Finish or not finish, it's okay. Yeah, because this one only a pre-test for you. Okay. Thank you. Okay, leader, please. Yep. Okay. 1, 2, 3, eyes on me. 1, 2, eyes on you. Your eyes also. Yeah. Okay. So the highlight today's activities, there are a lot. Yeah. So you will observe the picture first. And the second, you will make or state the problem. And then the second, you will observe the videos and then find ideas, the way to solve the solution or the problem of water solutions. And then you will carry out experiment, coagulations and filtration. Have you ever heard coagulation before? No, only the first. Okay. Next, record the result of investigations in your paper. And then make infographic from the data in Canva, G-Slide. You already common with this, right? Okay. And then you will analyze and evaluate the problem solving process. You guys will give feedback to each other. And then there will be a post-test later, like just now. And then about the assessment, so there are many assessments that I will see from you guys. So I will see your attitude. Can you collaborate with your friends? Yeah? Is it collaborative? Do you show that you take care of the environment? You take care of your staff? Yeah? And then also later from the post-test and from your infographic and then how you do the experiment. Yeah? Okay, let's continue. Okay, so I have put it handout and worksheet in your Google Classroom. So if your paper later is not clear, you can check from your Google Classroom. Yeah? So now I'm going to share worksheet for you. This is the worksheet that helps you later to do the activity. Okay, come leader, please. Take 1, 2, 4 is enough. Group, the second group, the third group, and the fourth group. Yeah. Okay, done. Okay, so now, hello, hello. 1, 2, 3, eyes on me. 1, 2, 3, eyes on you. Okay, so writing, look at me. Yeah, okay, so let's see the pictures. Okay, you can see in the front, there are 2 pictures. Picture 1 is Delhi River. Why I choose Delhi River? Because it is close to Medan, yeah, right? In Medan also, in Sumatra, yeah? And then Pelaruga in Langkat. Have you ever been to Langkat? Yes? Yeah, have you ever seen the water, the river? Is it clean? Yeah, clean. So you can compare, right? Okay. Now, what do you see? What do you observe? What is the difference? Yeah.
In Medan, people keep throwing trash all over the place.
Oh, you made the problem already. Very good. I say, what is the difference between these two? Yeah.
Delhi River is much dirtier than Pelaruga.
Iya, Delhi River much dirtier than Pelaruga. Okay. Next, okay. Why do you think it happened? One by one.
Because people in Lanka don't throw trash into their rivers and people in Medan do.
Yeah, okay, good. What else? Who can answer? Yeah. Can you give? Can you tell why did it happen?
Because people in Langkat or Pelaruga don't throw trash at their river and they want to keep it clean.
Okay,
And
keep it clean. Okay, next. Yeah. What are the causes of water pollution? Yeah. Trash. Okay, trash. Only that? Yeah. Chemicals. Yeah. Human activity. Yeah. Okay, plastic. Yeah, good. Okay. What are the impact of water pollution to the environment and living creatures? What do you think? Yeah.
The bacteria in the water can spread diseases to children.
Yeah, bacteria can spread disease to children and other people. Okay. Is there any human influence on the ecosystem? Yeah. Is there any influence of human activities? Yeah.
Yes, because they're the ones that throw the trash.
Yeah, because people that throw the trash into the river, yeah. Is there any influence human activities on the balance of ecosystem in water? Do you know, right? There is living things in the water. Do human activities can affect? Yeah.
Because when they throw like chemicals in trash, the living things can die.
Yeah, the throw trash chemicals, the living things will die. Okay, now some for you to remember, yeah. Okay, have you ever seen water flow or river around your home? Close to your home? Okay, what about beside Cemara Asri? There is a river also, right? Okay, the question is, yeah, is it considered as polluted water or clean water? Okay, polluted water, yeah. How to identify water around your environment? Yeah.
From the smell, the taste, the acid,
Oh, very good. Yeah.
the looks.
The look, yeah, the color, the taste, the smell, and how acidic it is. Yeah, you already learned about acid. Yeah, very good. Give a applause to Talisha. That's what we want to learn today. Yeah. Okay. Next, now it's time for you to make from this problem identification. It's time for you to make problem statement. So problem statement is like a question like just now. Okay, what is the cause of water pollution? Why Delhi River is very dirty? Okay, can you read now? Okay, look at your worksheet. Look at the second page. About this page, you can see this page. Yeah? Okay, write 3 or 4 problem statement. Question. What questions comes out in your mind when you see the dirty water just now? Okay, come on. Yes, this one, correct. 3 or 4, here. Come on. The question for the problem. Okay, so you haven't got the answer, just question. Any question comes out in your mind, write down there. That's a problem statement. Yeah? Yeah, here. Yes. Okay, write down the question that comes out in your mind. Next page. Focus. Yeah, okay. So now let's see. Yeah, the next stage. Okay. So please sit based on your group. Have you guys sit based on your group? Yeah, already? And then please the worksheet that you got, can you see the experiment procedures? Yeah. you guys discuss with your friend. Do you think the procedure is clear, or you want to ask more about it? If you have any questions, you may ask, okay? Please read. The experiment stuff, you can see coagulations and filtrations. See that? Okay. Do you have any question for your worksheet? Do you understand? Okay, this page. This page. Okay. Please analyze. Do you have any question? No? No? There is no question? Yeah? Nope. Okay. No questions. Okay. If there is no questions, leaders with your fellow members, please decide, yeah, when you do experiment later, who will do this, who will do this, who will do this. So you discuss your job first. Okay, start. Discuss. 1 minute. You discuss. Who recorded? Who will make this? Who will cut this? There are 2 experiments. 2 people will do what experiment? 2 people do what experiment? Yeah? Yeah? 2, both of them. So you guys have to discuss who will do coagulation, who will do filtrations. Yeah? So let's continue. Let's see the video. Okay, everybody watch this video, and then this video can answer the questions that you made just now. After this, you will find the ways to overcome the problem statement. Okay. Okay, I cannot find English one, so you just say Indonesia. You still understand Indonesia? So you know, right, characteristic already? Yeah, okay, so now, please write down the ideas or your effort, yeah, or ways to solve water problem, yeah. You can do your phone to search. Okay, you can do it now. Look at the next one, this page. On the top of coagulation paper, yeah. So you can do research, you can use Googling, you can find from literature. Okay, find the ways to solve water pollution, yeah. Okay, this page now, this page. Yeah, this time you have to solve it in 2 minutes also, yeah. After this, we will do experiment, yeah. You can discuss guys, not only one person, yeah.
What?
3,
Don't flash.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hands up. Okay, yeah. Okay. So you already got right. What about Valerie? How many you got? 5. Okay, Talisha. 5. Now experiment time. Okay. So you will carry out coagulations and filtration experiment. Now the instructions. Do you have any question for that? Okay. Okay. Do you have any question? Okay, so now keep your books, only the worksheets and your stuff right now. Okay, just do it now, do it now. Okay, you can do it. Okay, yeah, it's okay. Experiment, use this cup, yeah. Okay, first experiment, where is what? Guys, label please your cup. Yeah, label your cup now, label your cup. Rio, label your cup, come here. Label your cup, yeah. Correct, yeah, correct. Yeah. This is 3, right? Okay. Just label first. What? Yeah, okay, next send, yeah?
So smelly, I cannot. Little girl.
You have mask? You have mask? Yeah, of course smelly because it is polluted. with your experiment, please do this. Like brownish, right? This one, like brownish, a bit blue. This one is white, clean. After this, make the infographic. You guys will present it in front. Okay, you can do it now. Yeah, you can do.
I need some medicine.
Hello, we are Group 1 and we're going to be explaining or presenting about water pollution and how to handle it.
The characteristic is the color is brownish and dark or black and is dirty and it's smelly like the toilet water or something like that.
Cause of water pollution, trash or rubbish, chemical, people that don't care.
3. Impact of water pollution. It can harm living things. 2. We will have no clean water to drink. And 3. It will spread bacteria.
The conclusion is, let's throw trash into the trash can and encourage people to clean up the trash. Thank you.
Okay, give applause to them. Okay, someone give feedback or other group, please. Ask questions or give suggestion. Oh, or Alex. Oh. Yeah, okay.
How can it harm living things?
It can spread bacteria because the trash that they throw is very dirty. So it can spread bacteria and the animals who live in the water will be sick or get hurt.
Yeah, okay. You see now? Yeah, okay. Valerie, you have any suggestion? No? Okay, if there is no question, give applause to Group Andrea. Okay, thank you. Okay, so now let's continue. Okay, can you hands off, please, put your phone. Ready? Phone. Okay. Okay, so after you analyze this now, who can say what is the causes that makes water pollution? Yeah.
Chemicals.
Chemical. What else? Yeah. Waste.
Rubbish.
Yeah. Rubbish. Okay. How's the characteristic? Yeah.
Smelly.
Smell.
Color.
The colors.
Black.
Yeah. The color become the black. And then? Yeah. It is dirty. Okay. So who can give a feedback for Group Andrea just now? Is it good?
It's okay.
Presentation? Yeah. Is it done? No? Okay. It's okay. So next time you can present. Yeah. Okay. So let's see. Actually, there is a handout here. We want to see. So water pollutions. What is the characteristic?
Polluted.
Can taste or smell bad and be cloudy, yeah. And then what are the effect? What are the effect on the environment? Guys, what is the effect?
No drinking water.
Yeah?
There will be no drinking.
There is no clean drinking water. Yeah?
Isn't enough oxygen.
Yeah. It's not enough oxygen. And then next, there are so many types of pollution just now. Sewage from food and then yeah. Okay. And then from factories. And then purification of water. You can use waste. What is the alternative waste?
Cheese pump.
Yeah, by using
Cheese pump.
what we call it?
Filterizer.
Yeah, filtrations. And then one more using alum, yeah, coagulated using alum. Okay, so what is the conclusion from this experiment?
Throwing trash like in the lakes are bad for the fish, for the environment.
Okay, throwing trash in the land, in the lakes is bad because
It's bad because like it can hurt the fish.
it can hurt the fish and then
it also is not good for us.
it's not good for us. What else? Ways to solve the problem?
We should stop littering and we should throw the trash into the trash can so we get more clean water. people that are healthy
Yeah.
won't get hurt by it.
Yeah, okay, very good. What else? Your group?
Motivate people to help clean the rivers.
Okay, you can help others and then tell others to clean the river. What? Okay, self-assessment. Look at your worksheet. There is a self-assessment. Okay, in the self-assessment, you will answer which part of experiment is the most interesting for you. Write down one thing that you did really well. How is it? Is it difficult? And then choose one thing that you can do better next time. Okay, you can do it. Okay, then whose group has done? Now we are going to have our posters. Yeah, okay, your group. Okay, Valerie. Okay, Talisha. Huh? What made it happen? What factors? Okay, thumbs up. Okay, please, leader, collect, please, collect, leader. Leader. This is the end of this meeting. So the next, there will be about land pollution. Have you ever heard land pollution before? Yeah, so get ready for the next meeting. It's about the same thing. So land pollutions, what is the causes, what is the factors, what is the effect, and then how you do the experiment, find ways to solve the problem, and then you will present it in front of your friends. Okay, do you have any question? No? Okay, give applause to everybody today. Okay, before we end our meeting, let's pray. Okay, one of you. Okay, Talisa. Come. Talisa. Everybody.
Before we end our lesson,